So, back at you, my people. This is Miss Peas, and today on the menu we'll have some saltfish rundown. All right, it's gonna be prepared the Jamaican way. So here I have some cherry tomatoes, some green and red bell peppers, a stalk of scallion, some thyme, one onion sliced up, some pimento, black pepper. I will be using coconut milk, of course, and quarter box of coconut cream, a scotch bonnet pepper, onion powder, and of course our saltfish. Did I mention my pimento? Here I have my pimento. Okay, first and foremost, I'm gonna rinse off my saltfish in some room temperature water. Now I'm washing the salt from my saltfish. I'm rinsing it off. I will now put it in some water on the stove to be boiled for about 20 minutes. Now I put in my coconut milk, also the coconut cream, and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes until I see the custard in the pot and it's becoming a little bit oily. Now it has boiled down to custard. So I'm putting in quarter cup of olive oil, any oil you want to use. And I stir. All my vegetables are going in at this point. And I'll allow that to simmer for another 10 minutes on low heat. I'm gonna mix it in, all that goodness. Mix it all in. And I'm gonna let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Look at that. Ooh. Now the saltfish is boiling away. It's almost time for me to rinse it off and pick it up and put it in the rundown. Okay. I'm now running some cold water on the boiled saltfish. I'm almost ready to pick it up, take out the bones, and put it together and put it into the pot. So I pick it off and take out all the bones and just tear it apart like so. So I take out all the bones, all these parts we don't need. I try to feel, make sure there's no bones in it. Just like so, all those bones. Okay. Take off this skin, some of this skin. Yeah, pick it up just like that. So that's it for that. And now I throw this water out. I'm gonna rinse it in clean water, fresh. I'm gonna rinse it in fresh cold water. Any excess salt, I want it off. I really don't use much salt, so squeeze the excess water out of it. Anything. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so now this is my saltfish, and I'm gonna take it to my pot. Okay, I'm putting in my saltfish. That's already picked up. Just a little bit of onion powder. Nothing much because we have all that in the pot. A little garlic powder. And some black pepper. Now I'm gonna stir it all around. You see that custard from the coconut? So I'm gonna taste to see if there's anything that's needed. Because I really boil off all of that salt water. So I'm just gonna taste a little bit. Tastes good. I think I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of my vegetable Goya inside just to bring up that little flavor. Okay. Bring the camera. Look at that, guys. So that's a saltfish rundown. I'm gonna be serving it with boiled green bananas and some boiled dumplings, right? Guys, this is the saltfish rundown. If you do like this recipe, please subscribe, share, give me a comment. Also, a thumbs up will help. Bye. See you in the next one.